Adult education and career training centers play a vital role in helping individuals gain the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in today's competitive job market. However, running a center can be challenging, especially when it comes to financial matters. Payment processing can be time-consuming and complex, taking valuable resources away from providing education and training to students. Fortunately, Square can help streamline payment processes and make it easier for adult education and career training centers to accept payments from students and other stakeholders. One of the primary benefits of using Square is its ease of use. Setting up an account is free and straightforward. This means that staff members at an adult education and career training center can quickly and easily start accepting payments from students, employers, and government funding agencies. Additionally, Square offers a variety of payment options, including credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, making it easy for students to pay in the way that is most convenient for them. Another advantage of using Square is its flexibility. The platform can be used both in person and online, which means that centers can accept payments from students regardless of their location. This is particularly useful for students who may be receiving training on an online or distance learning basis. Square's payment processing platform is PCI compliant, which means that it meets the highest standards for protecting sensitive financial data. This is critical for adult education and career training centers, which may handle sensitive information about their students such as personal identification and payment information. Square also offers loans and financing, which can help centers that may be struggling to secure funding through traditional channels. These financing options can help centers purchase equipment, expand their services, or hire additional staff, which in turn will help them better serve their students. Thanks for watching. If you own an adult education and training company and haven't set up a free account with Square yet, now's the perfect time. Square offers secure and easy-to-use payment processing, helping you streamline your business operations and take payments on the go. Sign up for a free account and experience the benefits of modern, hassle-free payments. Don't wait, click the link below to take control of your business's financials with Square today.